Hey learners, welcome to my channel guys. This is Pranshi Verma and in today's YouTube session we are going to discuss Indian Constitution General Knowledge Question and Answer in multiple choice question and answer form. And guys, they are very important for your any competitive examination, for example SSC, CGL and any other competitive exams. Okay, now let's begin. In this, your first question is, which articles is for protections of interest of minorities? Okay, option A Article 26, option B Article 27, option C Article 29, option D Article 30. Here right answer is option D Article 30. Article 30 is for protection of interest of minorities. Next question. The plan of transfer power is the Indians and partitions of the country was laid down in the option A Cabinet Mission Plan, option B Simon Commissions, option C Cripps Mission, option D the Mountbatten Plan. Right answer is option D the Mountbatten Plan. The plan to transfer power to the Indian and partition of the country was laid down in the Mountbatten Plan. Okay. Next question. For the first time, Indian legislature was made bicameral under option A Government of India Act 1861, option B Government of India Act 1892, option C Government of India Act 1915, option D Government of India Act 1919. Right answer is option D Government of India Act 1919. Okay. For the first time, India legislature was made bicameral under Government of India Act 1919. Next question. Which act divides legislative powers between the center and province? Here option A is Government of India Act 1935, option B Government of India Act 1919, option C Government of India Act 1892, option D Government of India Act 1861. Right answer here is option A Government of India Act 1935. Government of India Act 1935 Act divided legislative powers between the center and provinces. Next question. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? Option A N. Gopal Swami, option B K. M. Munshi, option C N. Madhava Rao, option D Dr. B. R. Ambedkar, means Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. And here right answer is option D Dr. B. R. Ambedkar was the chairman of drafting committee. Next question. Which article is related with abolition of untouchability? Option A Article 20, option B Article 19, option C Article 18, option D Article 17, and here right answer is option D Article 17. Article 17 is related with abolition of untouchability. Next question. The Constitution should give India domination status was a proposal in option A Cabinet Mission Plan, option B Cripps Mission, option C the Mountbatten Plan, option D Simon Commissions. Right answer here is option B Cripps Mission. The Constitution should give India domination status was a proposal in Cripps Mission. Next question. The first statute for the governments of India under the direct rule of the British government was the option A Government of India Act 1858, option B Government of India Act 1861, option C Government of India Act 1892, option D Government of India Act 1915. Right answer is option A Government of India Act 1858. Okay. The first statute for the governments of India under the direct rule of the British government was the Government of India Act 1858. Next question. Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on option A 25 October 1948, option B 25 October 1949, option C 26 November 1948, Option D, 26 November 1949. Right answer is option D, 26 November 1949. Okay. Constitution of India was adopted by Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. Next question. Which act is associated with courts can interpret the rules and regulations? Option A, Regulating Act of 1773. Option B, Pitt's India Act of 1784. Option C, Charter Act of 1793. Option D, Charter Act of 1893. Right answer is option C, Charter Act of 1793. Next question. A separate governor for Bengal to be appointed under the Act. Option A, Pitt's India Act of 1784. Option B, Charter Act of 1793. Option C, Charter Act of 1733. Option D, Charter Act of 1753. Right answer is option D, Charter Act of 1753. A separate governor for Bengal to be appointed under the Act, Charter Act of 1753. Next question. Under which act the councils were having the power to discuss the budget and addressing question to the executive? Option A, Government of India Act 1858. Option B, Government of India Act 1861. Option C, Government of India Act 1892. Option D, Government of India Act 1915. Right answer is option C, Government of India Act 1892. The councils were having the power to discuss the budget and addressing question to the executive. Next question. Which act enabled the Governor General to associate representatives of the Indian people with the work of legislation by nominating them to his expanded council? Option A, Government of India Act 1858. Option B, Government of India Act 1861. Option C, Government of India Act 1892. Option D, Government of India Act 1915. Right answer is option B, Government of India Act 1861. Act enabled the Governor General to associate representatives of the Indian people with the work of legislation by nominating them to his expanded council. Okay, next question. Constitution of India came into effect from option A, 15 January 1950. Option B, 26 January 1950. Option C, 15 August 1950. Option D, 15 January 1950. Right answer is option B, 26 January 1950. Constitution of India came into effect from 26 January 1950. This is very important question. Next question. Which act was passed to consolidate the provisions of the preceding Government of India Acts? Option A, Government of India Acts 1858. Option B, Government of India Act 1861. Option C, Government of India Act 1892. Option D, Government of India Act 1915. Right answer is option D, Government of India Act 1915. Okay. Act was passed to consolidate the provisions of the preceding Government of India Acts. Next question. How much time it took for Constituent Assembly to finalize the Constitution? Option A, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Option B, 2 years, 9 months, 8 days. Option C, 2 years, 7 months, 18 days. Option D, 2 years, 5 months, 20 days. And right answer here is option A, 2 years, 11 months, 18 days. Okay. Next question. Which article is related to equality before law? Option A, Article 13. Option B, Article 14. Option C, Article 15. Option D, Article 16. Right answer here is option B, Article 14. Article 14 is related to equality before law. Next question. Setting a Supreme Court was Calcutta is a part of option A, Regulating Act of 1773. Option B, Pitt's India Act of 1784. Option C, Charter Act of 1793. Option D, Charter Act of 1893. Here, right answer is option A, Regulating Act of 1773. Okay, so right answer here, option A, Regulating Act of 1773, setting a Supreme Court was Calcutta. Okay. Setting a Supreme Court was Calcutta is a part of Regulating Act of 1773. Next question. Which article is for protection against arrest and detention in certain cases? Option A, Article 24. Option B, Article 23. Option C, Article 22. Option D, Article 21. Right answer is option C, Article 22. Article 22 is for protections against arrest and detention in certain cases. Next question. The Christian missionaries were allowed to spread their religion in India under the Act. Option A, Pitt's India Act of 1784. Option B, Charter Act of 1813. Option C, Charter Act of 1833. Option D, Charter Act of 1853. Right answer is option B, Charter Act of 1813. Okay. The Christian missionaries were allowed to spread their religion in India under the Act, Charter Act of 1813. Okay. Next question. Which article is related to equal justice and free legal aid? Option A, Article 39. Option B, Article 39A. Option C, Article 43. Option D, Article 43A. Right answer is option B, Article 39A is related to equal justice and free legal aid. Next question. Article 44 is related to option A, Uniform Civil Code for Citizens. Option B, provisions of early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years. Option C, the duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition. Option D, organization of agriculture and animal husbandry. Right answer is option A, Uniform Civil Code for Citizens. Okay. Article 44 is related to Uniform Civil Code for Citizens. Next question. Which article is related to a special address by the President? Option A, Article 84. Option B, Article 85. Option C, Article 86. Option D, Article 87. Right answer is option D, Article 87 is related to a special address by the President. Next question. Which article is related to assent to bills? Option A, Article 98. Option B, Article 111. Option C, Article 112. Option D, Article 114. Right answer is option B, Article 111. Okay. Article 111 is related to assent to bills. Next question. In which Amendment Act the Sindhi language was included as a 15th religion language in the 8th schedule? Option A, First Constitutional Amendment Act 1956. Option B, 7th Constitutional Amendment Act 1956. Option C, 15th Constitutional Amendment Act 1963. Option D, 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967. Right answer is option D, 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967. Act, the Sindhi language was included as a 15th regional language in the 8th schedule. Okay. Next question. In which Constitutional Amendment Act seats of Lok Sabha were increased from 525 to 545? Option A, 21st Constitutional Amendment Act 1967. Option B, 24th Constitutional Amendment Act 1971. Option C, 25th Constitutional Amendment Act 1971. Option D, 31st Constitutional Amendment Act 1973. And right answer is option D, 31st Constitutional Amendment Act 1973. Amendment Act seats to Lok Sabha were increased from 525 to 545. Next question. In which constitutional amendment act Sikkim was made full-fledged state of the Union of India? Option A 21st Constitutional Amendment Act. Option B 31st Constitutional Amendment Act 1973. Option C 35th Constitutional Amendment Act 1974. Option D 36th Constitutional Amendment Act 1975. Right answer here is option D, 36th Constitutional Amendment Act 1975. Amendment Act Sikkim was made full-fledged state of the Union of India. Okay guys, next question. In which Constitutional Amendment Act Goa was made a full-fledged state with a state assembly? Option A 43rd Constitutional Amendment Act 1977. Option B 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978. Option C 56th Constitutional Amendment Act 1987. Option D 57th Constitutional Amendment Act 1987. And here right answer is option C, 56th Constitutional Amendment Act 1987. Constitutional Amendment Act Goa was made a full-fledged state with a state assembly. Okay, next question. In which Constitutional Amendment Act an authoritative text of the Constitution in Hindi was provided to the people of India by the President? Option A 57th Constitutional Amendment Act 1987. Option B 58th Constitutional Amendment Act 1987. Option C 59th Constitutional Amendment Act 1988. Option D 61st Constitutional Amendment Act 1988. And here right answer is option B, 58th Constitutional Amendment Act 1987. Okay. In 58th Constitutional Amendment Act 1987, an authoritative text of the Constitution in Hindi was provided to the people of India by the President. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Means Indian Constitution multiple choice question and answer part 2. I hope आज का वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी हेल्पफुल रहा होगा. अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है वीडियो में या कहीं कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे कमेंट कर दीजिएगा. आप कमेंट करके कोई भी क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं अपने सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you a very all the best for your examination.